Hi there, it's Alistair from starting a Shopify store from scratch. In this video, what you're going to look at is the buy button supplied by Shopify, which you can embed anywhere to sell on any other platform besides Shopify. So let's quickly go through this. If you would like to come and learn more about this, I am going to leave a link directly in the description box. That'll be the first thing you'll see is a link to this page, so that you can come through here and learn more about it on your own. If you have any questions, please leave me a comment and I'll be more than happy to help you out. Let's go through this. As you can see, you can then take any code provided by the Shopify button, place it on the website where you want to sell, and it'll create a card like this, which looks great. You can obviously customize everything before you grab the code. The shopping cart is embedded and you can customize and control everything within Shopify before you post it out onto your other web properties. You can build custom shopping experiences using the JavaScript SDK. So you can build categories, lookbooks, sponsored content, and you can even run ads using the JavaScript SDK. Everything within Shopify. So you can add this kind of code to Weebly, Wix, WordPress, or Squarespace. It's a great way to use Shopify without incurring a great expense. Cost you $9 a month to be able to do this. So that means you still get the back end of Shopify to work with, all the payment processing and all that power, plus you then get to sell on Facebook or wherever else you want to sell. I suggest you try it for free, see if it's going to work for you. If it does, great, then stick with it. If not, consider going for a higher plan and see if that works better for you. But you can always start with a free trial and play around until you find a solution within Shopify that works for you. If you have any questions, have a look in the links provided underneath everything, and there are answers for just about every question you might have about Shopify. If you need help or get stuck, you can contact me or get hold of Shopify themselves to help you. If you like the content we're creating, please consider liking, subscribing, commenting, or hitting the notification bell so that you know whenever we create new content for this channel. That's it for this video. See you in the next one.